Lenmo. My name is Police Detective Aaron Alacoa. I work with the Kosrae State Police, Division of Public Safety, Criminal Investigation Section. Today, we will discuss more on tobacco and in regards to laws within our beautiful little island of the Sleeping Lady. The purpose of my video today is to elaborate more with you, our youth, tobacco users, tobacco retailers, and in general the community as a whole. You see, there are laws in our Kosrae State Code, and as a police officer, it is my duty to enforce them. But before enforcing these set of laws, I love to educate myself and hope that my video today will translate to you about my role as a policeman. Okay, let's start, shall we? According to Kosrae State Code Section 12.1608, Penal Enforcement, the Office of the Attorney General and the Division of Public Safety shall be responsible for the penal enforcement and prosecution of any non-compliance or violation of this act. What did I just read? Wait, I know it might sound boring to you, but in simple English, it is part of my duty to enforce this law. Let's say, you're under the age of 18. I saw you with a tobacco product in hand. The law allows me to file a complaint against you according to this act. Yikes! Let's look at another one. Do you know that by providing betel or tobacco to a minor is also a crime? What? Yes. Here, listen. Section 13.535. Providing tobacco or betel nut to a minor. Providing tobacco or betel nut to a minor is selling or delivering a tobacco-containing product or betel nut to, or for the use of, a person under 18 years of age, knowing that the person receiving or to be using the tobacco-containing product or the betel nut is under 18 years of age. If you wish to report a complaint, you may do so by calling Kosrae Division of Public Safety, Criminal Investigation Section to report any illegal tobacco violations. Calls are confidential. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one.